This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
Hey guys, David here with What's Treading, and we are here in Salt Lake City at the Burt Brothers Motorpark to test 3 different tires from Sailun Tire Americas, including this one, the SVA2, brand new all-season UHP tire. Let's get to it. That's right, guys. We've got 3 tires in one day today. It was a long, busy one, but oh so much fun. And I got to do it at maybe the most beautiful track in North America, at least in the top tier of tracks I've been to. Just gorgeous. Shout out to Burt Brothers for doing everything right here at the Burt Brothers Motorpark in Salt Lake City. But let's get to the task at hand here, because you want to hear about my time with these 3 great performing tires from Sailun Tire Americas: the Atrezzo SVA2, the Terramax AT2, and the Terramax RT. And this was especially fun because I got to experience 3 different tire personalities on 3 totally different surfaces, all at different locations at the same track. So we started the day on the paved handling course with Sailun's brand new Atrezzo SVA2, which is the company's latest ultra-high performance all-season tire. Now, the SVA2 replaces the outgoing SVA1, and the SVA2 was designed entirely for North American roads. And Sailun's dedicated product development team based in Chattanooga, Tennessee, was a huge part of that. The SVA2 uses a modern asymmetrical tread design, which is not uncommon for UHP tires. It means that the inside and outside of the tread are designed to kind of be doing different jobs here. So the inner blocks evacuate water and boost wet grip, while the outer shoulder stays stiffer for better cornering and stability. Sailun also says they spent a lot of time optimizing the tire's void arrangement, which are those little channels that let air and water move through the tire and ultimately enhance the driver's stability. An optimized contact patch that spreads out the load evenly for more predictable handling was also important when designing this tire. Think of it like spreading your weight evenly across your entire foot instead of just walking on your toes. It helps the tire wear more evenly and keeps handling consistent, especially during quick transitions or braking, which obviously is going to be important for drivers riding on UHP tires. We're also seeing quiet and comfortable rides being really popular aspects of tire design right now, and well, that's no different here. Sailun's quiet ride technology uses extra tread blocks to absorb vibration and cut road noise, and you can really tell if you ride on these tires. We were given Mustangs to drive around the course, and these tires felt confident, composed, and surprisingly quiet for something in the UHP category. Definitely no squirrely feelings when they were pushed around corners at all. Here's Jared Lynch, Vice President of Product Development at Sailun Tire Americas, on what the company was going for when it came to designing the SVA2.
So I would say number 1 would be the size list, making sure that we capture vehicles that really demand this tire. So this is an ultra high performance all season tire. That category has really boomed in the last decade and 10 years. However, when it originally started booming, it was on sedans. Full transparency, it was all the sedans wanted that size. But nowadays, what we're seeing as we enter 2025 is the sedans are a little bit of a thing of the past, and individuals are now investing in CUVs and SUVs. But those individuals' demands for UHP all-season tires are still there because these CUVs and SUVs have incredible horsepower, firm suspension. They drive like sedans did 10 years ago. So one thing we're able to do is ensure that we have the right sizes, which is incredibly important. You don't want a customer to come into you, demand a UHP all-season tire, and then you don't have their size because it's a CUV, and that tire category is typically catered towards sedans. So making sure that we didn't neglect any consumers' vehicles, that includes present day vehicles. In the past, the value tiers looked at a 3rd or 4th tire replacement on a vehicle. Today, consumers are looking at it as their first tire replacement. So it's important that you capture all of the popular sizes for CUVs, SUVs today, and then also don't neglect those of 7-8 years ago, because they also want value tier.
The SVA2 comes in 54 sizes from 16 to 20 inches, and that covers everything from sedans to crossovers. It's also V, W, and Y speed rated, backed by a 50,000-mile treadwear warranty, and protected by Sailun's 24-month road hazard program, which to me says a lot about the company's confidence in this product to perform. Next, we switched from asphalt to dirt and gravel for the Terramax AT2. This tire replaces the company's older AT4S and is built for those drivers who maybe split their time between highway commutes and, rougher trails. The AT2 brings redesigned casing construction, an updated compound, and uses protective sidewall biters for traction and cut resistance. And it has an aggressive open shoulder tread pattern that expels water, snow, slush, mud, anything you might be going through there. Plus, it's 3-peak Mountain Snowflake certified and comes with a 50,000-mile warranty. On the trail course, it had a surprisingly refined ride. So we took it through dirt and mud and sudden stops on gravel, and it felt steady through turns and predictable over those loose stones. Now, what I think is cool about the AT2 is how much of Sailun's winter tire DNA went into it. Sailun's early success in Canada was in large part built on the back of winter tires. In fact, those products were among the first to make Sailun a recognized name in North America.
And you'll notice our Terramax RT, our AT2, those are 3 PMS rated as well. LT sizes of the RT are studdable. So we're very forward looking and seeing those market trends. And that's a great point, Rodney, where customers are saying, hey, I can no longer afford to have 2 sets and 2 wheels. When it was 15 inches, it was fine. But now that I have 21s or 20s and I have a brake kit that doesn't allow me to downsize too much, can I get a tire that can do it all? And I think I highlighted this in my meeting earlier today, but our tread compounds are something we're known for on top of our manufacturing. And our Ice Blazer, our winter tires, put us on the map originally many, many years ago in North America. Those were one of the first tires we sold into Canada.
The final stop of the day were these killer rocky hills to test the Terramax RT, Sailun's first rugged terrain tire and easily the most aggressive of today's lineup. The RT sits between an AT and MT tire, so it gives you a lot of the traction and toughness of a mud terrain tire with its deep tread and aggressive shoulders and, the ability to claw through loose dirt or sand, but then without all the noise and the rough ride that is usually associated with the MT segment. It's also 3-peak Mountain Snowflake certified, just like the AT2, and comes in 39 sizes from 17 to 22 inches, and offers flotation sizes up to 37 inches. LT sizes are also pinned for studs for drivers who might want that in extreme snow, and this tire carries a 45,000-mile limited tread life warranty. Now, if you look at this tire, you'll notice the squared profile, which gives this tire more of a planted, confident stance, so it grips better off-road while staying stable on pavement. The RT also features these staggered, scalloped shoulder lugs with stone ejectors, which give it grip and kind of a self-cleaning ability. Sailun originally validated the RT in the Nevada desert, and the company's leadership told me that it's been such a success that a second-generation version is already being planned, with a faster replacement cycle to stay ahead of market trends. Now, here's Rodney Anderson. He's the company's senior sales manager of USA corporate accounts, on why that's important to be thinking that far ahead.
This particular mindset of new product development in a much faster time period, whether that be a year to 18 months, that is kind of the mindset of, tier 1 manufacturers that have OE presence. Mm-hmm. They have to adapt and stay in tune with what the market is doing. And for a long time, value tier manufacturers didn't necessarily have to worry about adapting because they're catering to a different segment. But the thing that I like about Sailun is this mindset, even without the OE presence, having that mindset of, no, we're not going to wait an extended amount of time for new product development, we're going to use the data that we have, again, without OE presence, to still, stay attuned to what the consumers are asking for, what our customers are asking for, and incorporate that feedback into faster, accelerated product development. So even without the OE presence, we're thinking like top tier one manufacturers.
To be the best in the industry.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that up close and personal look at these 3 tires from Sailun Tires. After a day of driving on everything from smooth asphalt to deep dirt and mud, the big takeaway for me is that Sailun is experiencing a real period of evolution right now, especially here in the States. They're building out this infrastructure by expanding its global manufacturing base. It has its local R&D and training center focusing on North American specific development. Sailun is just building real performance credibility across the PLT landscape, and I'm totally here for it. So having the opportunity to test these tires back to back helped me realize just how much a company like Sailun Tire is closing the gap traditionally thought of when you think of where different manufacturers stand in the tier list. It was just really cool to feel for myself the Atrezzo SVA2, the Terramax AT2, and the Terramax RT in action at the Burt Brothers Motorpark. It was so cool. What a great day. So now guys, I want to hear from you. What is your experience with these tires? Which of these 3 would move best in your market? Drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching and take care.